Hey everyone, Scott Lesenby here from the Aloft at the Charlotte International Airport. Actually, it's not really the airport. It is the airport, but not the airport. It's not very close. But it is technically the Aloft at the Charlotte Airport. And let me tell you, this is a little different than other Alofts that I've stayed at, mostly because of this area right here. Like this stuff, yeah, that's definitely Aloft. Got the carpet here, and then all the pixelated design of the pillows and the materials. This is all cool. There's even a Loft logo right there. But you come over here to this side of the room, and it seems like they just forgot this spot, or there was something here before that they took out. That's not really typical of this brand, because normally they like to go all out with style and design, which I'm not really sure what that is, but I do know it's very cool. But yeah, so anyway, this room is kind of small. I actually paid for a bigger room, believe it or not. This is their large room, the largest room they have. And this is it. And it feels small. It actually feels smaller than any other Aloft hotel that I've ever stayed at. And I've never had to pay extra for a room this size. So I don't know. It's nice. It's simple, but most of it is pretty cool. It's very basic. Think of like IKEA, high style, questionable quality, but if you're looking for a decent, clean, somewhat stylish place to stay near the airport, this is it, I guess. The bathroom's kind of cool. It's very big. There's like a tape deck wallpaper going on here, which is really cool. I like that. You got your commode here all by itself here in the corner. No one to bother you. That's a good thing. And then a nice, decently sized shower, which is, yeah, it's not bad. I thought maybe it might be bigger, but this will work. It's it's a very basic bathroom for a very basic room. I mean, it's so basic, as a matter of fact, that is the closet right there. It's just these two bars. You got a couple plastic hangers, or these, oh, they're metal, wow, fancy. But sounds like chimes. That's kind of cool. But yeah, very basic. You got your safe down here, and then they just put the toilet paper next to the towels. It's very simple. And then my stuff right there, and then just a hangy hair dryer in case you need it. It's there. I like the simplicity, don't get me wrong. This is, I'm not a fancy guy. I don't need fancy things. So, oh, this is pretty cool. It's all numbers, code. That's pretty cool. I don't really know what that represents. We got a hot water machine, tea maker, coffee maker thing, and a decently cold refrigerator. This is, well, it was cold a while ago. When I first got here, I checked it out. It was almost ice cold, but now it's 42 degrees, so it's warming up a little bit. It's still nice to have. There are actually restaurants within walking distance of this place, so that is going to come in handy if you want to grab something to eat from something nearby. You can also order room service. There's menus, apparently. Just scan those codes. If you want to scan those, I'll get in there for you. Check out the menus. So, this is it. Very basic, nothing fancy. I don't know. I can tell you right off the bat, I don't know if I would stay here again, because it's kind of far from the airport. There are really no close hotels to the Charlotte Airport, so you're not going to get much better than this, but yeah. If you have any questions or comments, do leave them down below, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. I gotta do something about that, I think.